Hi! So, today I am going to be showing you how to transform a really big sweater vest into something more cropped and fitted like I'm wearing now. Smooth transition. So basically it's just downsizing a sweater vest by taking it in using a sewing machine. You can either choose to hand sew it, which I don't personally recommend because I've tried it before and it came out all wonky. Other than that, you can use fabric glue. So let's just get started on how to downsize this sweater vest. So the first step we have to do is obviously get your sweater vest. This is the sweater vest I'm gonna be working on. It was Agio, I got it for 10 ringgit. It doesn't fit well, so that's why we're doing this thrift flip. Get out your sewing pins and we are going to see how much we want to crop off this sweater. So take the bottom of your sweater, fold it up in a way where the wrong side faces you, and you are going to shimmy up and see how much you want to crop. Keep in mind that the bottom of your sweater vest cuff is going to be where the seam goes. So keep in mind the length you fold your sweater vest right now is going to be longer because you're going to add in the edge of your sweater vest, which is this cuff right here. So pin the sweater up, make sure it is straight and it is symmetrical because you don't want a wonky sweater. And once you're done with that, you can try it on and make sure it is the correct length like I have here. Sew your sweater vest up with a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch, it doesn't really matter. Make sure to get matching thread, and after that you got yourself a nice crop sweater. You're done! You have a nice crop sweater vest, which I feel fits much better and I would definitely get more wear out than how it looked like before. But I'm not done yet. My sweater vest has a really big armpit hole. You can literally, yeah. So I am going to take it in. I don't think this looks good. I am going to show you guys how I stitch it up. So basically, when you take in the armhole area, you're also taking in the width of your sweater vest, so it makes it more straight cut and more fitted, which is what I wanted in a sweater vest. So if you don't want that, you could just finally skip this step. So this is how it looks when it's done. It's really easy, it's super simple. You just need a sewing machine and it takes like less than 30 minutes. So give it a try and we're done.